I testing top speed. Of course, the voltage was 75. Okay, and can we see it now? It's sunny. Come on. Okay, it right 115 and see statistics trip statistics. Okay, here it is. The scoot in GPS goes 95.3. That was my top speed. Now in second gear, I think I have put something wrong and don't walk the gears. I have to test it. And with 73, okay, maybe it is 75, the voltage. It is not full. Okay, this is my beauty. Okay, here, yes, this is my scooter. And this is my beauty. I love it. Just see how it's from the ground. I think it's around 5-6 centimeter. Yes, the temperature is very good, controllers are very good, the motor is not hot. Okay, the back I have opened it. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, that's all. The guy is still home. My joker. Yes, here he is. Yes. Okay. Yahara. That's for today. Thank you all. Bye bye.